Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Devil, you mad man, they look him. I look him. Now, devil man, wait, don't marry. For Nigeria, I come for me make a call for her. Because I be baby mama Sherry, I be or go here and go. Anywhere where you dey go, I'll follow you. You see this my house? Well, now, who you want any? Well, yeah, so straight away. I just say, where I'm on Facebook, in here, I dig away. That's all where swag me. People may know me, you don't see your order too much. I don't take. I said, no, enter my house. Don't enter this fucking place. If not, I'll call police for you. Oh, balegbe, no balegbe, when I have Facebook, you are if you come this house, I'll deal with you. I mean, we are wrong. Why you wrong? You don't say you be father of all the old days and then make I make sure. Let me make sure. If you beg me, I go kill you.
Sorry, now.
Maria go see this video. I don't want to be the sheriff because enough of insults.
I'm not insult you.
Enough is enough for you. You see this man? What happened today? What Abu be say?
Sorry.
You dey shit on me. What Abu be say? You dey shit on me. You don't marry for Nigeria. You say, us if you enter my house, us your giver if you enter my house. That's what I'll do you. Today not today. Today not today for me are you. Where we went and me ata mu and so where. Where we went and me ata mu where women and so where. Yeah. Your God, you never say God. If you know God, you for not they do bad.
Which part I do
If you know God, you for not they do bad. Where they say you don't marry, come tell me say.
Okay, wait.
Hello, my people. How na day? Also, na they fine. I greet the house, so also now they enjoy this summer. We just they come small. My people, this video na just this year. I put on for my page for there. So some guests, I don't know what I go call them, whether na guests, whether na some women, they get sense, I be they no get sense. Be like say they no get. They no get. This girl now, me I say woman. This woman now, she just the thing say she dey fool that boy. She no know say she also dey fool herself. But some people then they abroad, they don't know what carry they come. Oh. Inya many no more like we born. They just dey here, they don't know what make them dey this abroad. You dey fool yourself. You dey even dey fool the boy. You no know say na yourself. Now you can't dey fool pass. Now you can't fool pass. You know why I talk, huh? The video where you do, my brothers and sisters, I'll put the video more than listen. He said the boy don't marry for house. He deceive her to born for her. Call my people that they deceive person to born. Not be waiting there your mind now you do. You were one born for man. You not fair look for the. You not fair if you find the background. May you know the kind of person where you be. I beg if I dey hear some people they talk say he deceived me. He not tell me say he don't fair marry. He not tell me say he don't fair get children. You not get your whole brain. You not fit find out whether that person really get wife or he get children. You not fit find. Oh where man where go. The thing they stretch you. You open her. You born for another. Later you can't know say the man don't get wife for house. May I tell you, my dear, you dey fool yourself for social media. Try may you enter his house. Take care of that pikin where you born. You don't born her, you don't born her. If the story not there be the story not continue with the boy again, try may you go they do a baby mama because some of una they cause her. Una they use una hand till they cause waiting they worry una. Later na come they cry. Una they put her for another person head. Una no blame una self first. Yeah, this thing where I do, I'm not for not doing like this. Me I fair blame myself. No, now try to put everything, put her for another person head. He put this thing for your head. Say you must born for her. He put her for your head. He not put her for your head. You call social media, can't they disgrace yourself? Now yourself now you they disgrace. Not be only the boy. They give you house. You not see now. I don't know, some of una later now, when the government, when the country wanna dey, when they collect una children, una come dey cry for social media, say, make una come help me, oh, we need donation, we need for lawyer, we need for this one. Una no dey shame. Eh? Some women, they no even get wetin they call shame for eye. Man go deceive you. He deceive you, put his nothing for inside your this thing. He deceive you, you can't get belle. You don't know the time where you supposed to take it, the time where you're not supposed to take it. You don't know that one. Have you not know say that they sell all this piece where then they eat every day? No say it there for year. He deceive you, you born for her. So you can't know say get wife. Now you want carry across social media. If they cheat on you. Wanna see if I know they see so even to see the girl alone. Two of them, they're not good though. Even the boy, wanna see him. If my man go see the talk say he dey abroad. Eh? So men they no get shame for eye. Now so some women still because these two of them now the same thing. See the boy now, he no get house. If the girl throw away your bag now, where you want go stay? Eh? You go to beg for a friend, say, I beg me, I just stay here. My woman throw away my something. Now that one you can't find for abroad. What did they worry some of una self? Eh? What did they worry una? One I know they use what men they use where woman not feel pregnant for now. So because if you go look at now, these two of them now, maybe they just they 6 months so. 6 months they don't carry belly. They don't even know their self. They don't even know each other. You know, say and I say, he deceived me, and I can't carry belly, I can't born for her. Now you do yourself, because really, if you want to settle down, say you want married to somebody way near you, where you different, you go find out the background. You go find out whether that person don't get wife, don't get pikin before, if they deceive you, una know they find that one. Now only the words where the person go just tell una say, I never marry, I never born. Now go say okay, next say never marry, never born, me I just follow. You know they use your number 7. Una not they use your number 7. Later now they will carry on our children for now. Una come they cry for social media. Many guests like this where they don't pick, where they don't carry their children. Thank God said that they pick on our children because who know where the children where to now will use that children. Say two now 2 of them now they fight for road now. They if you enter my house, you're not going to enter my house. What you now they do for his house? Don't it was past this one. You even use your man tell can. Say they beat you for his house. I pray make they even see this video. Make they collect that pikin because now they use until they throw stone. Why if you be women were not responsible. They know now so it still be for men. They know they just they ga. Bini dem take a me parable say no we to turn ya ha no dollars ya gwalo. For now we come there now you just see them. They not even care who want take care of them. Now make them just born. Make them just say I don't born. Now that one end them day. Now only that one and some guests and then just now only that one and they just put for their head. Person where you want born for. You know fair look whether I go fit take care of you. Whether the person don't even bath self. Person see the boy now. That one no see at the boy be. That one never even fit take care of himself. Talk about say go come take care of you. Go come take care of the baby where you want born. Una not because una just depend say government dey there. Now make they see they collect una children. Now make them see they collect una children because una just put am for una brain say so for me I just born. If I born, if I not feel trainer, I not feel put am for anywhere. Government go there where go help me take care of the children. Now make them they collect am for una hand and they do am well because una no get brain. Person wey no get brain, you go give am pikin make train. If you give am pikin make train, as the brain still be, now so you go still use take train that pikin. He said they beat him for his house. Now her man now she take talk out. Say no not me what say they beat him for his house. You know not see them. I just pray make Baba God I pray make them see this video with the country one and day. Make them just remove that pikin for now because when he go they beat you the pikin they go they look una which is very bad. Make they collect them because una no know what una can find for abroad. Now for now no una just open una leg make man enter me una born now una day as the useless men wey dey for inside. They use less anyhow. They use less. They no want to do anything. Even though, like this one, if you tell them, say, which work you they work, not get anyone when they do. Now, the benefit whether they give the girl, whether they say, take me to the treat, wait till they take care of your children. Now, that one ain't go, they talk, say, baby, give me 50 euros, baby, give me, you know, the shame. See, the shameless people. shameless people. Una also na still there abroad. They will see catch una say all this one still there abroad. Una no get shame for eye. Eh? I don't know wetin dey do some of our people. The boys so, the girls so, they be the same thing. Iri okpaya gbalinya eva. Wetin dey do una? Una think say just open leg make I born na be that one. No. To be a mother, you have to be very responsible before you go say I be mother. Not be say you go born now, you go throw one from one corner, or you go say government dey there wey go help me take care of them. That one no make you a mother. Who no born good pass you, or no bien no move. Wait, that one a person. Eh? Tomorrow now, this one I go cost come and say because of this video where you do now, if they see her now for the country where you did, they'll say all these people they no fit take care of their children. They will collect the key for your hand. They go collect her. Now make me like the law where they for abroad. Europe, they don't they use until they play with anybody. As una two of una now just they very useless. Una not they responsible. Una they fight for road they go. They go say the one they do for his ass. Now oh big. Now they do for his ass because you will not get shame where you come out, come the video, come they do everything, come they make a nyaga for outside. They go say the one they do for his ass. That one now go heavy pass. Because the camera dead, then I make the boy not touch you. Because if camera not dead as you talk, he go brush you for his ass. That means the one they do for his ass. Now that one on your wear or say. What did they do now? You the thing say you the fool the boy. Two of you na be fool. Now they fool una self. You wey carry camera take the video they go. You think say you want fool the boy. Now you even the fool yourself. Now you come fool pass. You wey be girl. Now you come fool pass. You know why? Eh? Now another person husband now you born for. Even though say he tell you say I never marry. You not go find the background. You not go true find person where you go send go say this person where me with am dey. I want more na help me find in and out of the person. You not do that one. Because you want run make you born. I want quick born. You don't be single mother for them. Now that one I like because some of our people, some of our guests, that one I did their brain. They don't even care to settle down with man or to find the background of the man or to see whether the man will fit take care of the family. They don't care. Their own and just let me born. I want to be a single mother. May I tell you, picky one and they born, they need their father. Because some of them they don't get that from their brain. All the waiting they get from their brain say, if I born, government go help me. They take care of the children. Waiting concern the man again, not concern me. Carry your own may you they go. And most of una will be men, more try more than wise. Then they use una. Those women then they use una because they not care of you. They don't even care about you. Waiting concern them. Waiting they need from you now that picking. Mona try, mona wise, mona open her eyes. Mona try, mona open her eyes. Say this thing is getting out of, and you just see one man go get 4 children. 4 children. Before you with the girl go just say I love you. The girl tell her say I get belle. Mona still wise oh. Those men where they. Mona wise. Before they go just play small, go say you know what thing? I just take him. Mona still they do, Mona they use something now. I don't know, why they are doing me? Mona they use something. Eh? I'll go meet doctor, make them describe, make them make them give you this. Some men still they take tablets. If you never ready, you know what make your pikin day here. If you never ready, go meet doctor. They will give you what you go to take, or they will tell you what you go to do. Una not get common sense. Una not get. You see one, you go get for France, you go get from Italy, you go get for Spain, you go get for another side for that side. Go be 4 children, only you one, you get one for them. More now wise up because all these women then they use una till they carry since I don't get belle, I don't need you again. Government go they take care of the children. Una not the wise. Now not they open our eyes. Now that one I can't do for abroad. Una they disgrace on ourselves for street they go. Like say Ogbalek they just pass. The time una just they do anyhow. They'll see right to una name down, write una address down. They'll go give social. From there, you can say, hey, this country they're not good though. They don't like black oh. They be bad people. They don't collect my children. Now can they shout for social media? Now it's good for una. Maybe they collect them because una not get brain. Person will get brain. How you can expect me they take care of children? You know if you take care of anybody, I'ma say take back for when you never fit take care of yourself. Now you want to take care of a pikin where you born. They just they do anyhow. They misbehave. I don't know where they follow come abroad. Then they'll see count to put people where still there abroad. And you why agbiku yevo? The man he not get house. You not see your life. You not see your life. It's mean you not enter a house where government give away. If they give and give you pikin, make them they stay. They don't need you for there. No need you. No see. You go carry another one now. Nerede we. Only we move. Only mujuo. What that one go see carry and put for his house. Before you know, that one go see get belle. Mona open her eyes oh. Mona open her eyes. Or that so now get 10 children for 10 women. Now go get like one. They go they born like one. Now that one I can't do for life. Now that one me they talk for the men. Or now that one I can't do for life. Before now just place more. Especially now me they talk now woman now they decide the time we want to born. A woman will not fit take care of herself. Say I never need pikin now. I want all myself. Man, not the force any woman say you must born for me. It not there. Now woman they decide because you know the time when you take finish your thing. You know the time when you take taking. Now woman they decide say I need pikin now. You go need that. No man the force woman say you must born for me. Some men they say woman go get belle for her. Go tell her say abel baby abel la wo see ekonia. I go say I'm do Barcelona. I know they live. I go come out. Not be woman they decide. Now woman they decide for anything. Now you get that. Now you get your body. Now you get your body. Now you know the time where it's turn it down. Now you know the time where not turn it down. So when you call the talk say he tell you say he not get wife. Now you can't born for her. Now you can't know say he can't get wife. Why you not fair find out whether he get wife or not? You dey fool yourself for social media. You think say now let the boy now you dey fool. Two of una be away, una dey fool una self for there. Una dey fool una self. Now dey fool una self. Mona try, mona go inside house because all this thing one they do. Who are you zangie man? Because una all because of all what una they do, they'll come they look everybody say everybody na the same. Whereas we are not the same. They'll say if they just see any black, they'll say no man, then that's so they be. Don't be so we be. Now wait there for inside where mumu we not know na left and right. Now it comes and when they come they use the same eye till they look everybody. We are not all the same. We are not the same. If you go ask the boy now say when you take come abroad, maybe now it go be 5 years or 6 years. You not get where they stay. You not even get one place where they stay. And that one you can't find for abroad. Why you not just sit down for house? But they know say na house you dey. You for sit down for house. You can't sit down for you know the shame. Na me they talk. Any man wey need respect for woman hand. Try make you get your own house. Don't go there sit down with woman. Because any fuck up where you go throw away your back come out for outside. Because the country where we dey now woman even get law pass a man. You see and say you no enter your house. Maybe after you don't finish the video now you go put your leg for ground, you go there beg am baby I not get where to go. What a shame. Tomorrow I go see una go the same thing go still happen. What is the worry some of una self? Una no the shame. Una no the shame. Una no get shame for eye. Go dey sit down for woman house. Man wey go dey sit down for woman house. Never you no go get respect for your hand. Now woman is supposed to come your house come sit down. Not be you wey be man. You carry your bag go sit down with woman. He go dey cook for you. If they break you not dey do anything. Maybe you go dey beg money they go abeg money give me small money and not get food. If they call am now like this one now they call am make come do farm work he go say no dey do. Not be that one I can't do for abroad. If they call am now say make come do maybe cleaning or to do any he go say no be that one I can't do for abroad. What do you can't do for abroad? Me I don't know. If you call some of them you go just tell them say farm there or then they look for you go say the work wey I not do for Nigeria I can't do am for here. You can't forget say not be your country you dey. Any work where you see for here, may you do to make money come out. I don't know some of them they just they behave like say nah I don't know as I take talk because the country we on dey now later when they'll come say this thing we on they do we not like we'll come talk say they be bad people. No mind them. Now so black pikin that they carry. Not be person wey misbehave, not be that they carry children. if you dey misbehave for where you dey, they will carry your pikin because you are not, you no dey normal to take care of your child. They go carry am from your hand. Thank God say that law dey to dey help, because otherwise many children go dey wey mama go dey use say dey oya if you gbe or iriye we don born when no kpaladian. E dey, because no be all woman, no be person, no because you say na you carry that pikin for 9 months you come born am, no be that one make you a mother. No, that one no make you say na you be good mother. My brothers and sisters, I see this video, I just dey see, I say see them. The girl dey think say na I wan disgrace you, make dem see you for Facebook. Two of una na be una disgrace una fair, una be mumu, two of una. You wey do the video, you think say person go come join you say no mind the boy, he like for tell you say he don marry. You wey wan carry belle, you wan born for man wey you wan stay for, wey you wan stay with, you no go find na me go come help you go find the background. I mean na people wey dey for social media na wan come help you find the background of the man. Before you open your leg for am, why you no ask people for house whether this person na real say the person get na real say no get wife, say no get children, before you dey open your leg. And later when you don born now, you come dey cry for social media. Hey mona see am, he tell me say he no get wife o, na married man. You know say you another one don still comot for there. Next time if another one come, before you go open your leg say you wan born for am, make sure say you find the background of that person before una dey do am, because you go see now, maybe you don first get one before or two before, this one come join, you go dey many. Una no dey plan for una future before una dey do yama thing. Una no dey plan all wetin una want. Hey, I wan born o, maybe Mary don born, na me fair come abroad o, Mary don born, and na my time be this one. Una just see the one way una just see, una say hey, and this one just good. You never born, you never marry, you go say no, you just follow a word say na that one I tell you, you open your leg, it is time for me to be a mother. Later now I come dey fight for social media say hey, na so you tell me say never, now make me say I wan born for am. Who you come dey tell? Before you blame the boy, blame yourself, because you wey no find out, blame yourself, no go dey blame another person. Man wey dey find something dey go, if go tell you something wey sweet you now, no be you wey get brain, now you go say okay this thing na so you tell me I find out. Una no dey look that one. Abeg my brothers and sisters, may I stop for here. Maybe I'll put the video. If I remember, I put the video. If I not put am, I go watch am. E dey for my page. E dey for my page. Now watch am for there. Now see them whether they disgrace themselves for road. Maybe many of una don still see am. So from Untouchable Mama, remain blessed. One love, my brothers and sisters. Now bye bye.